Susan.
Yeah. Hold on just a second for me, please. Yeah.
They did it again.
What? They did it again? Oh, come on.
Just clean.
Oh, all right. But you know what? That's why I am my own maid. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hello everybody. In today's video I am sharing with you a Walmart haul. So we have Walmart delivered to our house. It's actually very easy. You just download the Walmart app and you can go through at that point and put in your contact information and so on, and then you can look things up online at your local store. So let's get into the haul. I have a 12-pack of donuts that my daughter picked out. They originally we ordered a 6-pack, but they did not have those, so they substituted the 12 at the same price. I have a loaf of bread. We have 2 of the 18-count Eggland's Best Eggs. These are our favorite brand of eggs. A little bit healthier for you. And then we have some assorted donuts here. So when the kids go off to work or whatever, they can grab one of these if they want, if they're in a hurry. And also my granddaughters like these for part of their breakfast. I have a Hungry Man grilled beef patty, TV dinner, and a Nighthawk beef dinner. And then we have some Uncrustables. I have grape and strawberry. The kids wanted both kinds, so we have those. Easy snack or light meal. I have 2 salads. We have bacon ranch crunch today, and also we have the maple bourbon bacon. Now originally I got the cherry gorgonzola, but they did not have that, so they substituted the bacon ranch crunch. But anyways, these are simple and they're delicious. Waffle cut fries, some seasoned fries. We've been enjoying doing some fries in the air fryer when we have French fries now. I have 3 containers of yogurt, 4-pack strawberry, banana, peach, and original cherry. My granddaughters love yogurt with peach being their favorite currently. And then I have some vinegar. I've been using vinegar more in cleaning and to help with the drain not getting so clogged, I guess you would say. It helps keep your drain fresh and clean. 2 things of milk. I got a pack of baby back ribs to make, some cottage cheese, the hazelnut coffee creamer. If you all have seen my previous grocery hauls, you know this is always on our grocery haul. It's my son's favorite coffee creamer. And then the other ones, we just do a variety. My husband's been liking these, the sausage, egg, and cheese croissant sandwiches. They're pretty easy to make in the microwave. 2 things of heavy whipping cream. That's what I've been putting in my coffee instead of the flavored coffee. So you're going to see a lot of non-keto items here and some gluten items. I do eat gluten-free now, but the family does not. So, all right, we have the bacon cheeseburger pizza and a pepperoni pizza. Both of those, my granddaughter likes this brand. She's just 2. So that is the cold part of our haul and the breakfast items. And coming up, I have the rest. All right, now on to the things that aren't cold. I have some Ajax scouring powder. I like to use this inside my toilets. I have some baking soda. I have a grill brush that I'm actually going to use on my oven racks to help get those clean. And then I have some petroleum jelly, and I have some gallon-sized zipper bags. And for veggies, this week I just got some diced potatoes, some peas, some bean sprouts and bamboo shoots, and then some whole peeled tomatoes. And those are my canned vegetables for the week. We also have soy sauce and a double pack of au gratin potatoes. My husband really enjoys these. I have some gluten-free flour. I can make some pancakes. I have a good recipe for gluten-free bread, different things like that. But I like to keep some on hand. Light brown sugar, some rice noodles, So that would be good, gluten-free. I have a really good recipe actually that I use rice noodles with. I have 2 boxes of the Zatarain's yellow rice and 2 packs of the Noor rice and pasta with butter and herbs. And then over here, I have some school supplies. I have the file folding jackets. We have some paper. I have college and wide rule paper. And then I have this is a carpenter's pencil. I thought this was pretty neat. My daughter likes to draw, so it was only like 15 cents. I just thought it was something very neat to have on hand. I got some pencils for my 2-year-old granddaughter so she can scribble on paper and color and things like that. Some eraser tops, and then I have a lot of folders. These were really inexpensive. They were anywhere from 15 cents for the plain, just 2 pocket folders, to 50 cents for the ones with the brads inside and the pockets. So I have that, and then I got these to keep school books in, and this is really neat. I'm thinking about getting this for other purposes too, because look guys, it fits cans. So I might get some more of those. They were $2.48 each. I got 2 of them to hold my daughter's school book. She's the last one that we have in school, and we do homeschool, so it's good to keep everything organized. And then I bought some apples and some red potatoes. I have some green apples in here in the bag, and some Roma tomatoes inside there, some bananas, and then I have this basket, and I'm actually going to keep some stuffed animals in it for my granddaughters. So that wraps up my grocery haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my channel. I'm going to have a cleaning video up soon, my first ever cook and clean with me video. Working on the voiceover for that, something new for me. But anyways, if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please stay tuned for more videos. As I said, I'm going to be doing some cleaning. I will share a recipe with you in each cleaning video. So please subscribe so you can be aware of those when they show up. And then also follow me on Instagram at I Am My Own Maid. I put up lots of content there, mainly food oriented content, but some cleaning tips. So you all have a great day, and thanks for watching.